Hello everyone, Sarah here. I finally received my September 2020 card kit from Scrapping for Less. It just received in the mail last night, so I am going to open it up and see what's in it. Once again, I typically do not know what's in it. I did join the Facebook group, so I have glimpses of people's projects. But I don't know exactly what's in it. So I'll go one by one and show you what's inside this card kit. I will start with the cardstock. You do get 2 pieces of accent opaque 100-pound cardstock. And the colored cardstock you get, it looks like lemon drop, a red, maybe wild cherry, piece of orange, which is 65 pounds, midnight blue, or night shift blue, which is actually one of my favorite colors that I get from Scrapping for Less, jelly bean green, and sour apple. Really nice colors. I can see a fall theme here with these nice fall colors and then the greens. So that is what you get for the cardstock. Actually, I'll just move it away. In no particular order, I am going to just show you which collections are here. So it looks like I am starting with collection number 4, which is called Pumpkin Patches and Harvest Wishes. You always get a white envelope. Sometimes you get a different color, but mostly it's white. And then you get these really nice, this one's really beautiful, pattern papers. Some nice pumpkins and stripes, and if we flip that over, we get some more blues, more patterns, more pumpkins. These are very, really nice paper. You do get some, looks like red, candy apple red maybe, enamel dots. You get a stamp which says "Hey there, pumpkin," which is absolutely adorable, with the shape of the pumpkin and then the writing in the center. That'll be a lot of fun to color with. And in this collection, you do get some ephemera by Scrapping for Less. And you just get a bunch of little sentiments, corn maze, so you can stack these all up, make a collage. Say October. So really cute, really adorable sentiments. And then you do get some little frames that match the paper very well. Pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes. Oh, so cute. This is what you get in collection number this is what you get in collection number 4. The next collection I'm going to show you is collection number 1, called Sweet Sunflower Patch. You do get your your white envelope, sorry, and the pattern paper is looking like beehives, bee themed, really nice pattern there. There we go. So those are the pattern papers that you get in this collection. You do get a piece of white ribbon. Pretty good one. You get some glossy green enamel dots. And then you get a pretty cool stamp with this big flower and the sentiment. Kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul and healthy for the body. That's very sweet. And then you do get some honey, and then that little stick that you dip the honey in. Very cute. This is what you get for collection number 1. The next collection is collection number 2, called Apple Orchard Pickin', the white envelope. And here's the pattern paper that we get. Some apple cores. So it looks like an apple orchard type theme. This is nice because you can actually cut those up and use them as pieces on your card, or you can use the opposite. Both are fine. Some nice stripes and polka dots. This really caught my eye. This is a beautiful piece of paper with the green and red apple pattern. Nice colors. You get a piece of brown and white twine, a matching, almost cappuccino colored enamel dots. And then the stamp set that you get features a little fall gnome with an apple on his head and 2 sentiments, Happy Fall, which is very useful. I like the nice simple ones, and Autumn Sky apple pies. That's really cute. So that's what you get in collection number 3. No, sorry, collection number 2. The next one is collection number 3 called Floral Patches. And there's the envelope. And we definitely have some patchwork here on the pattern paper. Some pretty colors and the nice dots. This is really nice with the different leaves. Nice fall stitch, almost like a scarecrow. This is beautiful. Some really nice pattern papers in this collection. You can even make 2 cards out of that one. You can have that as the focal. And this is another one. Really nice. Very nice paper. In this collection, you get a piece, almost looks like cranberry colored ribbon. Very long piece. You get some light blue enamel dots, opaque. There are several random colored or random sized buttons. So you have big ones, medium, small, in different shades. Looks like kind of like a burgundy, maroon, yellow. There's an orange one here and some shades of red. And of course you do get a stamp set, and this one features this really cute scarecrow sitting there, and then a fence that you can definitely put behind them if you want to make a scene card, or have them sit on top. It depends on how you want to do it. And they have the nice sentiment, "Hey there," which actually I really like because it's a 1-line sentiment on a very small. And the reason I like that is because a lot of times I have little strips of paper that I want to use for my sentiment, and so these work perfectly for that. Really cute. I really like this collection. I think this is one of my favorite ones. So that's what you get for collection number 3. Okay, and last but not least, there is the banana split. This is additional. It does not come with the regular card kit, but if you want to pay a little more to get the little extra benefits, it's called Banana Split. And for this month, what we receive is the stencil, which features 3 different designs. We have apples, pumpkins, and sunflowers. And this one would be really nice for making some nice pretty backgrounds. Really sweet. You do get this little 5-inch, it looks like 5-inch little ruler. Good for measuring. Almost looks like a little minion in there. Maybe it's just the color that's making me think that. You get a really adorable bag of sequins. This color is fall inspired, definitely, with the browns, the greens, and the oranges. Some of them are shiny, iridescent, and looks like 2 different shapes. So little circles and then the traditional sequin. Really cute. And you also get 2 small die. So you get a pear, and it looks like a squash or a gourd, whatever you would like to call it. So you can have fun with those. So that's what you get in the banana split this month. Well, that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed the journey with my excitement. I really love this kit. Definitely collection 3, I believe, was the one that I'm going to be most excited working with. But there's a lot of great stamps, embellishments, and even the stencil. It's all pretty amazing. So I can't wait to get started. I will hopefully post a video soon. I may do it a little differently. Instead of posting one large video like everyone does, I might just do one video at a time just to show the different cards. I do enjoy doing that a little bit more, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. And anyways, until then, have yourself a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.